Hello everyone, it's Paul with Sand and Steel, and I wanted to introduce to you our brand new shop vac. It's 6.5 horsepower, 16-gallon cleaning machine, and it's really awesome. I found some rust on the floor this morning. It's just brand new, so it really hasn't bonded to the floor. Stuff like this is always a big pain to take out. This monster though is amazing at taking out anything really from the rubber mats. I'm going to give you a quick demo. If you're watching the audio, this part's going to be loud, so you might want to lower your volume. Other than being really enormous, shop vacs are also loud, which is why you don't find them in home use. And the other thing with shop vacs is there's lots and lots of attachments. This is great for just a little area, but I got something called a beater head, which is really amazing. And all you do is you kind of put the little pole on, and you attach this guy this way. And then I got my whole army of cleaning attachments in the bin here, whatever you need. And this guy, this is what's called a beater head, and it just attaches to the top, and then boom. You can pretty much get anywhere. What I like about this guy is it's super maneuverable, because if you ever try to vacuum a gym, there's lots of odd object shapes and stuff to go around. This is really fast. We got for little corners, this guy. We got just a whole literally heap of this stuff. And I like this one too. This one's really good for getting in between dumbbells and kettlebells and stuff like that. This man back here, this is really going to help us keep the floors clean, keep all the objects clean, and get any kind of dust and stuff that can help, with bacteria growth and stuff like that. The whole idea is keeping it clean so everybody can stay healthy here. So know that it's helping you, and anybody wants a demo, happy to show you how it works. This has been Paul. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.